Now get rid of any of your preconceived ideas about prefab housing. Here is a home that has plenty of modern charm. It's located at Merricks on the Mornington Peninsula in Victoria. Well, g'day Rob, how are you?
Hi Gary, great to see you.
Great to see you. I'm a big fan of Prebuilt and absolutely
Thank
love
you.
what you do. In fact, I can't wait to one day get my acreage and I'm going to put one of your homes on it.
Terrific, look forward to it.
Yeah. Now this home is a prefab home.
Yeah.
Believe it or not. I mean, the viewers can have a look at it. It is absolutely stunning. It's very chic and it's all been brought in by truck.
Yeah, we built this home in our Melbourne factories, delivered it down by truck, and a very tight little road system here, but we delivered it to get the clients a really beautiful, simple and elegant solution.
Well, it's a great location here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's stunning. We're right on the edge of the cliff here at Merricks Beach, which is about an hour and a quarter out of Melbourne, and it's just a simple walk out the front gate down the cliff onto the water.
All right, well, can we take the tour?
Yeah, let's go and have a look.
Well, this is exactly what I'd hoped for. It's definitely chic, it's modern, and it's light and airy. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a lovely home, and what a great day to have down here.
Actually, I must say, it does have that kind of holiday feel about it.
Yeah.
I mean, what creates that, do you think?
Well, I think it all goes back to the way the design's approached. And with this particular home, we first met the owners here on site with the architect. We have partner architect Plaisir Perkins.
Now, you work very closely with them, don't you? They do all your design as far as...
They do pretty much all our residential design.
Okay.
And they've been involved with us for about 8 years.
Yep.
So they sit down, as I said, with the client, understand their brief, what their budget is, what their aesthetic is, and also, really importantly, what the site constraints are and opportunities.
Okay. I think one of the things I do love about prefab homes is they don't wreck the environment. Like they sit just nicely on top of it. So if one day this is taken away, the earth, it just stays exactly as it was.
Exactly. I mean, this ground here was once the old home was removed. This house sits very lightly on the ground. It's raised slightly so it can access good ventilation from underneath and through the sides as well. So it's obviously well designed in terms of its thermal capacity and the thermal insulation. It's double glazed. It has terrific breezeways going through the house, so it can cool down quickly at night.
Yep.
The insulation value is very high, so it stays warm in winter and cool in summer.
Now, I mean, it's debatable about this, but one of the good elements, some people might say it's a bad element, the has no slab. Which is a good thing.
So the enormous reduction in embodied energy is by not having a slab in the house design. For us, again, as I said, we sit sort of lightly on the ground. We don't have that massive amount of energy poured into a slab.
So with the construction, I mean, how are they constructed?
Well, we build them in the factory. We have our own steel shop, and our whole workforce is pretty much a permanent workforce in our factories. We have steel workers, carpenters, electricians, plumbers, the whole works.
You know what's good about building a house in a factory is there's no inclement weather problems.
No, absolutely. So no inclement weather, so we have control of time. Okay. So that's a big advantage for us. But as part of that time issue is that all of our trades work pretty much full time for us. So they're there the whole time. So when you build normally, you've got that problem where you're waiting for them to arrive on site.
Yeah, because they're finishing another job or whatever they're doing. Yeah,
exactly.
So, I mean, roughly, how long does it take, I guess, to build one of these in the factory?
Yeah, from when we start building, it's about 11 to 12 weeks to build something like this.
That is amazing. And, a home like this would take a year to build.
Yeah, it would. And look, we have control, as I said before. All of the trades are available and ready to work on the site. I think importantly, the trades because they've been with us for a long time, they have a commitment to the quality that's being built. Yeah, they're not coming in just for one job and then we never see them again.
Yeah.
They're here and committed to the task.
There's a lot more accountability too.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because
they see a future in it.
Yeah. Well, look, I guess for people who are watching the show and they love what they see, how does it kind of work and what sort of price points are we looking at?
I think the first thing is to approach us, let us know where the home is, what their budget expectation is, and we'll take it from there. In terms of price points, we do anything from $200,000 to $2.5 million for homes.
Okay.
So it's a very broad range, and it all depends on what the client's needs are.
Yep. This one's a huge home. I mean, what was the price? Roughly was the price of this one?
I think this is around the mid-700s.
Okay. Well, Rob, absolutely love this, and you know I love what you do. So thank you so much for finding it to walk through one of your homes. It's been great. Thanks, mate.
Great. Thanks for coming.